I've been using Elite Trader for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover the key features, risks, and considerations to help you better understand whether Elite Trader is the right choice for your trading needs. Key features: funding opportunities. With Elite Trader, you can keep 100% of your first $12,500 in profits. Beyond that, you retain 90% of all profits, making it a lucrative option for skilled traders. Performance-based live funding. The platform evaluates your trading performance, offering live funding opportunities to traders who meet their criteria. Account options. Trade multiple accounts under a single login. Manage multiple portfolios efficiently while keeping everything streamlined. Affordable evaluation. Evaluation accounts start at a low monthly subscription fee, with reset fees available at just $75, allowing traders to reassess their strategy without breaking the bank. Trading tools and flexibility. Utilize advanced tools like Rithmic for seamless trading. The platform imposes minimal rules, giving traders the freedom to trade on their own schedule. Considerations. Subscription model. Monthly subscriptions can add up over time, so it's essential to evaluate whether the potential funding opportunities align with your trading goals. Evaluation process. Meeting the performance benchmarks for funding may require consistent trading success, which could be challenging for beginners. Fee structure. While reset fees and evaluations are affordable, traders should factor in these costs when planning their trading journey. Pros. Generous profit sharing. Retain 100% of the first $12,500 and 90% thereafter. Flexible trading rules. Minimal restrictions, offering freedom for traders to execute their strategies. Affordable evaluations. Low-cost evaluation accounts with reset options make it beginner-friendly. Advanced tools. Access to professional-grade platforms like Rithmic for efficient trading. Multiple accounts. Manage multiple accounts under a unified login for streamlined trading. Cons. Ongoing subscription costs. Monthly fees can add up over time if funding benchmarks aren't met quickly. Challenging for beginners. Achieving performance benchmarks for funding may be difficult for inexperienced traders. Fee structure. While evaluation and reset fees are affordable, they can accumulate if multiple resets are required. If you're looking for a platform that rewards performance with funding opportunities and offers flexibility in trading, Elite Trader could be worth considering. However, as always, evaluate your goals and consult an expert before making any decisions. Thanks for watching.